Fort Stockton RV Park in Fort Stockton, Texas. This building is the office on the left and the pool is over on the right. On the back of the office, they have men's and women's restrooms. They have a large deck outside here with chairs and covered tables. Right off the pool. The pool is really clean, big, and really nice warm water. Looks perfect. This is the main entrance to the RV park. When you pull in, the office is on your left. The sites are large and gravel. Each one has a picnic table, and a lot of them have shade trees. This is the entrance to the tent sites. They have nice level gravel tent areas with lights and electric. They have a separate little house here with showers in it. This is a large park. And they have 50 and 30 amp hookups. And there are a lot of pull-through sites, if that's your thing. There is a large fenced-in dog run here. And lots of room for your furry friend. Here is a playground for the kids at the park. The unique thing about Fort Stockton RV Park is they have their own cafe and grill here on site called the Roadrunner Cafe and Grill, and they serve breakfast and dinner, and they have quite a yummy looking menu, and they do sell ice cream, soft drinks and chips and stuff like that in the main office, so that's really convenient to have. This is us right here. And we have a 50 amp pull-through site, and we are really enjoying this park. Check it out.